Hi Aries, this is your next 10 days reading starting from today, that is the 16th of April to the 25th of April. I'm going to look at the time period and look at the energies that the new energies that are coming in your general life. I'll be talking about the cards, the tarot cards, but before I do that, I am going to read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got a message for you. Let me read it out to you. It is saying, have courage to ask for and accept help. Asking for help is a sign of strength, as is accepting it as it is offered to you. Very often, when you ask God for help, prayers are answered through other people. Be sure to accept this assistance as well as give it to others as you are guided. So, have courage to ask for and accept help and give it to others when you are required to, offer help. So that's the message for you, that's important for you, that's the mantra for you for the next 10 days. So let's see what is coming to you. The first energy which comes in is the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is coming in for a long time for you. You need to be in this mode. You need to be in this problem solving mode. This is a queen who solves problems. So she is having lot of logic. She has impartial personality, and she is making decisions which are to solve various problems in life. So you will be in this Queen of Swords mode. You will be solving problems for yourself, but the solution that you have in mind would not be the outcome. That is what I want to tell you. The problems will be solved, but that what you are thinking would not be the outcome. I am also seeing, clarifying this card, the Eight of Pentacles. So the Eight of Pentacles is a good card. This means that you will be working hard in your career situation. You will be putting in something, one by one, step by step. So you are going to achieve your long term economic growth by working hard, by working on something step by step. And some of you are learning something new, some of you are doing something new, some of you are starting something new. So it's a great card of initiation for economic success in the long term. So you are working and building something which is your solution to the present problems that you are facing right now. So as you go forward, I am also seeing that some new idea or inspiration will come to you. This will be something for some of you who will start something which is from the scratch. So you will be having an idea, and you will be going towards your ambition with this small thing in mind, with this small inspiration in mind, and making it from zero to something big. So you are starting something from the scratch. With this card, the clarifiers which came was the Wheel of Fortune and the Star. This means that a situation is developing for you which is based on your karma. It is based on your karma because the Wheel of Fortune is here and the star is here. Something positive will take place for you. It will be a wheel turning towards your good fortune, and have hope regarding this. Whatever small thing you are starting, this will bring in long term fortunes for you. Because if you are good, if you are putting in the effort, if you are starting something new and you are working very hard, you are going to achieve success. Angels are asking you to have the optimism to get a good result. So good results are coming in to you, my dear Aries. I am also seeing that money will be streaming in slowly. It will be coming, it will be substantial. You will be able to be in the mode of a Knight of Pentacles in the next 10 days. This means that you will persevere, you will work hard, you will be sincere, and you will be getting that income which you are looking for. So slow and steady income is coming in for you. It will be substantial for you. It will help you in bringing in stability in your life. So I am also seeing that some of you are on the verge of making a decision, or some of you are too involved with someone in a partnership. So there can be a partnership in career, or there can be a partnership of life. So you have someone, a soulmate maybe, who is tied to you, and you are spending sleepless nights, or thinking about this person, or you are spending sleepless nights thinking about a decision that you have to take. So whatever is the case, take it as it resonates. I am seeing dreaming or thinking about someone all the time. You are consumed in this partnership, you are consumed in this partnership, and you are thinking of ways and means to get to your lover, or ways and means to unite with someone. So it is a positive card, but it is saying that night worries will be plaguing you. You will be anxious regarding your partner, you will be anxious regarding a love situation, some of you, or some of you are thinking very hard, and that is giving you anxiety regarding a decision in life which will be life changing. That is what I am seeing. Some of you are also taking a break, going into a seclusion, going into a place where you will get some peace to meditate and to think about this decision that is impending in your life. I am seeing finally you are coming to a solution, you are going towards something that will give you your happiness, that will give you your success. So a balance situation is coming in, 11 card, or the 4 of wands card of balance coming in. Home, security, safety, good results, success, promotion is coming in for you. So the solution of the Queen of Swords will bring you to a situation of good results. That is what I am seeing in your next 10 days. So the outcome energy is saying that Hierophant and Fool will be coming to you. This means that there will be an order structure for you. There will be two different forces for you who are very different. So these two energies will embody you. On one hand, you will be wanting to stick to order, structure and commitment. On the other hand, you would want to go away, take an initiative and go for an adventure. That is what I am seeing. So there has to be a moderation in it, and I am seeing the Queen of Wands coming in. This is your sign, Aries. So you will be in a successful position regarding order, restoration and commitment, and also you will be able to take a new initiative or new leap towards a new faith. That is what I am seeing. So changes in faith can come in for some of you, or some of you are taking a leap of faith regarding a profession of a soothsayer, or of a teacher or advisor that is coming in, and you will be very successful in that. That is what I am seeing. So the leap of faith regarding your beliefs, your belief systems will come in your life, and a change of higher magnitude will take place. Some of you are becoming religious, some of you are becoming religious, however you are adventurous. So there is going to be a new beginning, new initiation into a religion for some of you, new initiation into a commitment, new initiation towards a order or structure in life is coming in, and you will be successful in that. Some of you are taking up the position of a high teacher. That is what I am seeing. So angels are telling you that whatever you do, whatever you are facing, whatever problems you are thinking, whatever decisions you have to make, you have to be in moderation. Health and healing will be with you, moderate behavior will be with you, and you are being asked to exercise moderation in every aspect of your life. That it could be obsessive thinking on love, it could be obsessive thinking or anxiety in love, or anxiety in partnership, it could be working too hard for something, it could be being too logical. So whatever it is, you are being asked to exercise moderation. So this is what I am seeing for you for the next 10 days. I hope this will help you in putting together your energies, your specific energies, and how you resonate with them. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, if you want some clarification, you can send in a comment in the comment box. I will try to answer it. If you want me to see your specific situation, if you want a tarot reading from me on your personal life, you can contact me through the comment box and book a reading with me. I will let you know how to go about it. So that's it from my side. Bye bye. Enjoy your birthdays, any of the birthdays which are coming in the next few days. I wish you all the best. Bye bye.